welcome to the UAP Chapter President's LEAP or Lead Course 2026 with the theme, The Leader's Edge, Strategy, Serenity, and Spirituality.
Napakahalaga ng puso at ng ugnayan. Your relationship with one another is important.
Congratulate you all for taking on this not easy task of being chapter presidents of your own respective chapters. And rest assured that Boys and Paints is here to support you in all your programs and advocacies.
Focus on advancing the profession and serving the society, and align our organization goals with a higher purpose.
Ang tunay na magaling ay may pinanggalingan. Ang galing ay galing sa iba. So you do not exist on your own. You are part of a team.
Tingin mo lang sa isang graphical image, mas maiintindihan mo, mas alam natin, no? Because as architects, that is our nature. So we have made it very visual.
You respect and you understand yung mas bata sa'yo, but you also have to respect and understand, actually, tayo, di ba, we were taught na irespeto talaga yung mas matanda.
So when Christ is at the center, our leadership leaves a legacy that extends far beyond our term of office and impacts generations to come.
Ang objective natin, the reason why we're here as chapter presidents, is for us to be able to establish that any of your projects in your chapter gets to a particular direction.